Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ke Sorkar jela menta kadang up ya ke Kaiphod balapan neki bor penyat jong ke Ganesh Government Maternal and Child Health Hospital Shillong Halor ke Jingkhladnoh jong ke wei ke staff nurse ya ke balatip kerteng kum ke kong Manisha Turnia haga laipo terik ubana jemang arajar arpuwei hadin bakal yabit ya ke jingpang COVID-19 nalor bakadang don hapadeng ke jing armen. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai khobor Menteri jong ketenat ke koj ke khia oba Alexander Elhek uliathu baka Sorkar yamenta kadang up ya ke Kaiphod na kibor penya jong ke hospital khenang ban tip Halor ka ke nongrim baka ni ke nurse kalado yala ke jingim.
I have received the information. Definitely we are going to seek the report on what situation and what is the case it has happened to the died of that nurse. Definitely we are going to seeking the report.
It is not that there was any lapses or anything from the part of the person concerned. Maybe in the process of providing care, there was a breach. Okay, there was a breach, a slight breach. That is why that's how they got the infection. And we cannot blame only the hospital. Actually, the hospital is the safest place. Okay, it is our health workers also. Sometimes they have to go out. They have to go for marketing. So in the process, they mingle with a lot of people. So we can't exactly blame that it is from the hospital. It can be from anywhere. So in these times of COVID, a health worker cannot work from home. There is no way to work from home. You have to be there physically. Sometimes what happens is that we have casualties. These sad things happen. It is not only COVID, it is with other diseases also. And that is a challenge we always face as health workers, right from the doctors down to the helpers. That is always a challenge for us. And we cannot say that 100% you will never get these infections. I'm not talking only about COVID, I'm talking about other infections also. So that is why we ask our staff, we take maximum precaution to see to it that this transmission of diseases is prevented and avoided at our best level that we can take care of ourselves. It is possible that in a particular hospital, when an employee has already given the information that she's carrying, such health workers are not put on duty in the COVID sector, COVID side. Similarly, this particular staff nurse also, my condolences to the family. What happened is that she was never put on COVID duty. She was working the general ward. And see, at this point of time, it is very difficult for us to allow. We have got so many now health workers who are carrying. So now I think we have already written to the government that they be accepted for duty and in their place we put replacement. And the government has agreed.